How to set up email marketing and go high level. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and show you what you need to do. But first, if you want to get a 30-day free trial for Go High Level instead of the default 14 and also some more bonuses, you can just click on the description down below and follow along the video. So let's just go and get back to the video. Okay, so what you need to do first is just log into the sub account that you want to create this campaign for the email marketing, and you simply just want to go to the left side and you should be able to find marketing as the second option down here. So make sure you select that and you're going to have a lot of options here at the top. Obviously we want to pick emails, so once you click on that, you're going to have three different options, which are going to be statistics. Obviously they're just going to show you analytics and so on. You also have campaigns and templates. I suggest that we start off with the templates and create our very own unique template from here first. So I'm just going to click on new, and I'm just going to go ahead and select the blank template, but you can just use other templates as well. But I'm just going to go with this one, and I'm just going to click on the design editor, which is going to be a drag and drop one. It's very simple to use, and it's not going to be problematic to use at all. So here we have also AI, which could actually help us with this. So it could actually build it for you if you want, but I'm just going to remove this and start from scratch. So you're going to find yourself with this if you want to start from scratch, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove this at the top. And you can basically just click on any element that you have to adjust it. So if you want to adjust what this says, you can just go ahead and type whatever you want in here, and it's just going to take its place. But if you want to add other stuff, it's not just adjusting, but if you want to add a new element, you can just click on the plus icon from the top left, and you can add images, buttons, specific, liquid, custom liquid, and there's a lot more. So let's say, for example, we wanted to add our logo here at the top. We simply just drag and drop it right on top of that, and I'm just going to click on the edit icon, and I'm just going to upload media from media library. And again, whatever you actually click on, you are just going to have the options for it on the right side, so you can increase the width or decrease it, and also same goes with the height. I'm just going to leave it as it is. This is just a dummy template anyways. And you are just going to now go crazy with your email, add whatever you want. So you can just add your text down here if you want to. And if it doesn't land right, like for me here, I'm just going to put it down. That's all you need to do. And you can just go ahead and adjust your text. And by the way, obviously you have the formatting options here at the top. So it's not just going to be raw text. This is going to be rich text that you can actually use. So just for our sanity, just to make things faster for us, I'm just going to use the AI assistant, and I'm just going to have it create the email for me. So I suggest that you do the same unless you really want to customize this to your liking. I'm just going to use this one, We Miss You Reactivation template, and it's just going to pretty much just do it for us here. But again, you have both options, whether you want to use AI or your own creativity. It's all there for you. And obviously I didn't even speak about the design aspects of it, so you can change the background colors and stuff, adding more images and so on. There's a lot to it, but again, this is not just what I'm going to be talking about, how to build the template. So this is why I'm just kind of blasting through it. And would you look at that? This is what AI created for me. So I think I would suggest that you start off with AI anyway, and just adjust a few things, like the actual text and images and so on. So anyways, I'm just going to use this template. I'm just going to save it and call it a day. Again, you may be even better off without AI. Who knows? So once you actually create your template, now we can actually create the campaign for our email here. So we just go back to the marketing tab, emails, and this time we simply click on campaigns, and you can actually see the template here. You can feel free to rename it. It's up to you. But I'm just going to click on campaigns, and we're just going to create a new one. So right away, it's going to ask us to choose templates. So I'm just going to obviously pick our lovely We Miss You Reactivation template that we have created from scratch ourselves without the use of AI, definitely. And now we're just going to go ahead and click on send or reschedule on the top right corner. Okay, so now you have the send or schedule. So the first thing is sender name. You can feel free to leave it empty if you want to, it's optional. And also the sender email, which is mandatory here, obviously is going to be the sender's email. So you can just go ahead and add that over there. Next up, you have the subject line. Now, let me talk about the subject line real quick. It does say, "We miss you, come back and see what's new." But I want to highlight this little tag icon, which you've seen all over the place. This basically is a placeholder for things like the contact's first name and so on. So if you want to address someone with their first name, without obviously knowing it and not doing it manually for each individual person, you can just use this tag icon. For example, we can just use this, and now it's basically just going to address them by their real name. Obviously, this would be just weird to have the subject aligned to just say, I don't know, John or something. So make sure you add more text to it. So this is what I wanted to say here. And you also have the preview text here if you want, but most importantly, who are you going to send it to? So you can make it so that it is specific contacts, specific tags, smart lists, segments, build segments, whatever. So you have the option to make it all contacts if you want to. You can just do this and it's just going to add all the contacts for you. But I'm just going to clear all, and you can just go in and select individual ones one by one. So this is completely up to you. Obviously, same goes for the tags and so on. So you can just add specific tags, and whoever is added in that tag, they're going to get the email. So you get the idea on how to add the recipients. And once you're done with everything in here, you can just go in and review and send from the top right corner. And I did not add the sender email. And again, you also have the option to schedule it. If you don't want to send it right away, you have the option to do it from here as well. Same goes here. You're just going to add your sender email, subject line, who you want to send it to. It's pretty much the same thing, but you're just going to set up the date and time of when you actually want to send this. And this is pretty much all you need to do for email marketing. It is very simple and easy to use. You can create as many templates as you like and create as many campaigns as you like. By the way, one last thing that I wanted to note is if you go to workflows and you want to send out an email and use the templates that we've created, you can actually do that. So to do it, once you create an action within the workflow, which is send an email, you simply click on it and go to the compose a message right down here. And what we want to do is just select existing template and just pick it. This is pretty much how to do it. And now this email specifically is going to be the one sent with the workflow. But yeah, with that being said, this is pretty much it when it comes to email marketing for GoHighLevel. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.